Okay, just a quick video of our leg vise. I've just got it mounted up in the bench vise for the experiment. Take our box of matches out. It's a fairly big leg vise, is one of the biggest I've seen. We'll pull our thread right out and give it a grease. As you can see, that's our thread, thrust washer, bit of grease on here, bit of grease on here. Important to have some on the thrust washer, both sides. Leave that in there. Only markings I can find is a little print here that says solid box, which I think is talking about this piece. Put our threads back together. And we're away. See the jaws closing up there. Put the box of matches back in just to give you an idea of the size. This is 6-inch jaws, this fella. Just 6 inches across the head. Normally this would be mounted to a post here, and your leg will be mounted solid at the bottom of the base of the post. That's the spring that opens the jaws.